am.
Oh, you are. Well, sorry to know that you're a man of a cloth. Well, not sorry to know that, but I was hopeful that you're not, because I was going to ask if you're a betting man. But since you're a man of the cloth, I would assume that you're not
No,
a
no, no, no,
betting
no,
man.
no. On this, look here, listen to me. Listen to me. Bet me now.
Oh, so you are going to go against your values of a man of the cloth to wager,
No, listen to me.
to
Listen
put a
to me.
wager
Listen to
forward?
me. Look here. When I buy a barbecue ticket at church, I stand to win a basket. You
Okay,
can buy
fine.
your barbecue ticket now. And
All right,
I am
Mr.
going to say this to you. I'm going to say this to
Uh-huh.
you.
Uh-huh.
Let us meet on election night. And one of us is going to buy the celebratory drink.
Well, election night, you are in St. Catherine. Election night, I will be in central Manchester because
I'm
I
going
have
to
a.
tell you, if you are supporting the
Supporting another
PNP
microphone, I think.
Manchester, don't stay there.
What's that?
Come where